Screening report phase 1. This is the home page, tenant's first name, tenant's last name, and tenant's email ID. This is where you get started. So in the first call, you can type in the tenant's first name. So we're just going to use a fictitious character, John Doe. John@doe.com is the email address. So this is where you would enter your first tenant's first name, last name, and email address. Then click Let's Get Started. There are 3 packages to choose from: Standard Package, Standard Plus, and Comprehensive. So simply click on one of these packages, either here or here. We're going to stick with the Comprehensive package. Scroll down, fill out the required tenant information. So we're just going to fill out a fictitious name, but his first name, middle name is not required, so we're going to leave that alone, leave it empty. Last name is Doe, city is New York, so whatever city your tenant is in. State is New York. Zip code, street number, street name. Tenant's cell phone number. The reason this is here is we can also send a text message with the screening request to the tenant. So this is important. If you can get this, this is very important to have. Date of birth of the tenant, followed by social number. And you'll notice that the email has carried over. If you are adding a second tenant to the purchase order, it is very important that each tenant has a separate email address. They cannot use john@doe.com, so you'd be typing in something completely separate here. So we're going to create another one here. So again, fictitious. This is a fictitious name. So we would enter Sharon@doe.com. So enter yours, and this must be separate. So John, Sharon, 2 separate email addresses. Then the property. So this is the address of the apartment or house that is applied for rental. The rent per month, the deposit paid or required, and the lease, number of months. So in here we simply enter the property name. So each might be house A, house B, house C. We just typed in White House. Street numbers 120, Governor Street. We put in Orlando, Florida as the apartment address. Again, fictitious address, zip code, phone number, rent per month, bit expensive. Let's move that. And then there are a number of questions to answer. So please read through these questions and simply tick either A, B, C, or in some case, in one of the questions, D. And as soon as you've done that, simply, I've read the disclaimer, click Order Your Report. That is the end of